Alright guys, just doing a little bit of maintenance work here at the house on the lawn, and wanted to say thank you for everybody that comments and likes the video. We're gonna do another giveaway, about $160 worth combo reel casting. I love casting, and it's this setup. Y'all see it right now. We're aiming for 2,000 subscribers. Once we hit those 2,000 subscribers, this is the giveaway. So it's about $160, maybe $107 worth giveaway. So subscribe, like, and share. And this time, this video is gonna be short and simple. We went out there and we tried our luck with live bait to catch a big trout. We caught a little dinker. We ran into a little red also. And sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. And you got to put everything, either the bad or the good. So I don't think it's a failure because we did catch something. I have a subscriber that always comments that I hit everything, I fish, and I'm so lucky. But no, here it is, it's proof. Sometimes it's just you get skunked, and that's the way it is. Fish have their moods, their attitudes, and their days, like any animal on the planet. So thank you, appreciate it. Here soon we're gonna go. I want to do a Guadalupe bass video, actually a catch, clean, and cook. I've been wanting some bass to eat. I'm very low on stock and fish, so I need some fish in the refrigerator. So yes, if y'all wanna go and fish with me, or if y'all wanna show me some of your spots, let me know. I'll put my email right here. Send me an email and we'll set it up. It's a 4-hour drive for me to go to the coast, so we gotta plan it very well, especially with the weather. Man, Texas weather's been crazy lately. Got a little hail damage on my truck and my car, so nothing worth fixing, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. But if y'all want to go fishing, let me know. Like I said, email's there. Send me an email, we'll set it up and we'll go fishing. Show me some of your spots, I'll show you some of my spots. Let's do a collab. Let's do it. So thank you very much, and here's a little video of I went down the coast. I went to Rockport, one of my favorite spots, and got a little skunk. But don't forget, you learn lessons. Even if it's a failure or doesn't go very well, you learn lessons. Just learn from them, do some of the good, don't do some of the bad. All right guys, thank you. Tossing out a little Vudu shrimp. Wheeler. I got it in Dick's Sporting Goods. What do you call it? A little dinker redfish. Little rat. Around the edges. Probably a flounder. Feels like a flounder. Oh, it's nice. It is a flounder. It is a flounder. He may have the band left. I thought I was caught or something. gotta love him. Let him go. He's right at 15. He's a keeper though. Second fish. Good one. Well, the bite slowed down super bad. Wind picked up again. So we decided to use the cast net, and we caught some live bait, some pinfish, some small pinfish. But we got to our second spot, trying live bait, and we got a hit. I mean, it's a circle hook, so I didn't set the hook, and it took the whole bait. So I chunked out another one. See what happens. I got it in a cork, that way I can see the hit. They're small pinfish, about 8 bait, perfect size. I got some finger mullets, a little bigger than my finger though. We'll use those at the end. But I see something busting behind me on the shoreline, so get my bait caster and chunk her out there. See what happens. But stay tuned, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And man, it's a doozy though. It's pretty windy. Hope y'all can hear me. But the cork is out there. Maybe I can see it. About maybe 30 yards out there, and it's bouncing around on the waves. Let her do its job, and we'll see if we can catch something. At least a catfish. Alright, we made it back to the truck. We're gonna load up. We're gonna let the lone survivors go. Alright, guys. Yeah, well, live to see another day. Right. There goes a pinfish. There's a mullet. Come on, pinfish. There goes another pinfish. There's the other mullet. Tiny little pinfish. What are we using for bait? Alright, we're gonna load up, and that was the end of the video. There wasn't much of a video today. I caught red, and then I caught the flounder. That was it. I mean, I didn't get skunked. It happens sometimes. It's just they don't want to bite. So we threw out live bait. I didn't do cut bait. I threw imitation shrimp on a popping cork, imitation shrimp, Vudu, just by itself, and also a swim bait. I got a hit on the swim bait. It's just I think it was too small of a fish. So thank y'all, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, guys.